Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to submit sitemap in Google Search Console in 2023. Okay, first things first, open your website. In a new tab, search for Google Search Console and click on the official website and click Start Now. You'll then see a window to submit your website to Google Search Console. Select your domain name, copy it and paste it in the provided field, and don't forget to click Continue. Google then will start checking your verification, and you'll see your verification methods. Just click HTML tag to open it. After that, you'll see a code, so just click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Next is to open your website. Go to your website's plugins. Search for Insert Header and Footer and install and activate the plugin. It will then show code snippet, so make sure to hover over it and select Header and Footer. Paste then the HTML tag you copied into the header box and click Save Changes. Return to Google Search Console and click Verify, and once done, your ownership is now verified. So just click Go to Property. Then, click Sitemaps in the Add a New Sitemap field. Paste your website URL and add /wp-sitemap.xml. Once done, just click Submit and you can be rest assured that your sitemap is submitted in the Google Search Console in 2023. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now submit sitemap in Google Search Console in 2023. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.